Let's start off with, I think, kind of the headline of this new report. During the first 9 months of the easing cycle, dividend stocks, they outperformed non-dividend paying stocks. Do you expect that trend to continue during this easing cycle?
Yeah, we do. It's a pretty consistent look. You go all the way back 50 years of easing cycles. When the Fed is cutting rates for a reason. The economy is slowing. You expect earnings growth to moderate, and so investors want to focus on more stable companies. And a company that's paying a dividend versus one that's not is a very consistent signal of a company that has good prospects going forward, and the management team has confidence that they're going to continue to grow their cash flow going forward.
So, Ed, by the way, just for the audience, we're going to show a number of stocks that have increased their dividends just up here. I'm not saying you're recommending them, but just want to show people some of the examples of the kind of stocks that are increasing their dividend that may be attractive in this current environment. I do want to come back to you. We've seen just a change in the markets. The AI trade has really dominated this year. The idea that AI is going to increase productivity and investors really want to buy into that trend. It's certainly broken down in recent weeks. But does that change this thesis at all when it comes to dividend-paying stocks?
Actually, a lot of those mega cap growth stocks pay dividends. That's a big difference now versus, say, in the late 1990s. People compare AI to the dot-com boom. These companies, in fact, if you look at some of the biggest dividend-paying stocks in terms of dollar amount, those are some of the same companies you're talking about. Now, look, the AI theme may cool because their earnings growth is moderating. But so overall, yeah, I think that this theme of focusing on dividend stocks will come through. And we can talk about which kind of dividend stocks, because that's really important as well.
Well, that was going to be my next question. Like, when I think of a dividend stock, I'm kind of thinking of REITs and things like that. What kind of dividend stocks are going to have the best price performance if you're an investor? And does that really matter? Is the dividend in your mind more important than the actual price action?
Well, so not all easing cycles are created equal, right? So we think easing cycles, you may think recession, the Fed's cutting rates quickly. That has happened the last several times. But if the Fed is moving slowly because the economy is just slowing, I'm actually going to recession, which is our base case. In that environment, you actually want to focus on dividend growth, not just grabbing the highest dividend yielders. So if you look at, say, the top 25% of stocks by year-over-year dividend growth, they've outperformed the top 25% by dividend yield during those slow easing cycles. So we think growth is slowing. Investors are going to pay premium for what's scarce, what's hard to get, which is growth. And so dividend growth is a great signal that the company has good prospects going forward. And, in some cases, that's going to marry with some of these other growth themes that you think about that investors have been gravitating towards the last several years.